see how to design mod 4 counter using flip-flops. So here you can see we have like 16 different states starting from 0 to 4, starting at 0 and going to 4, then from 4 to 8, 8 to 12, then goes back to 0. How does this work? You have to look at the numbers, like it goes from 0 to 15. When it's starting from 0, it counts for like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then stop right there. Then counts 4 again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop right there. Then counts 4 again, 9, 10, 11, 12, and stop there. Then counts 4 again, 1, 2, 3. At 15 is finished. The fourth one goes back to 0. If you count from 1, you get the same thing. Like it goes to 4. I mean, okay, let's try this. If you start from 1, counts for 1, 2, 3. Actually, if it's starting from 1, it's start counting from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop right there. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop right there. And then 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop right there. So it's going to go like that. And we have 16 different states for this mod 4 counter. Now, to decide how many flip-flop we are going to use for this design, you have to just put the number of states. Like if I put 2 power what number, that's going to give me 16. That's going to decide the number of flip-flop. The power is going to be the number of flip-flop we are going to use. That depends on number of states. In this case, we are having 16 states. So 2 power what x value will give us 16, that is 4. So x is equal to 4. We had to use 4 flip-flops. Now here I'm going to use SR flip-flop and see how to do that. Flip-flop. Okay, so first we had to write the truth table for this one. So I'm going to use this space right here. Better to do next to it so you can see what's happening. I'm going to erase this. Okay, so first we are going to create the table. The first one is current states, and then we are going to have the next states. Let's write these two things for now. Then I'm going to copy this one and bring it to new page because I have to create truth table for the 4 flip-flops as well. I don't have space for it, bro. So I'm just going to write this one, current states and next states. I had to do it next to the diagram so you can see it. Okay, let's do it right here. Let's name this one. This is Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. The next states are going to be Q1 star, Q2 star, Q3 star, and then Q4 star. Let's look at this one. Let's look at the 0. What is the 0 in binary representation? We had to, okay, we had to use 4 zeros, 4 numbers to express the 0. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. And what is the next state? You can see from, if it's 0, the next state is 4. So the 4 is going to be right here. 0, 0, actually 0, 1, 0, 0. And if it's 1, that is 0, 0, 0, 1. The next state is going to be 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. And if it's 2, that is 0, 0, 1, 0. The next state is going to be 6. 0, 1, 1, 0. If it's 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. The next state is going to be 7. This 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now we have taken care of the first number. Now let's look at the next one. If it's 4, what's the next state? So 4 is 0, 1, 0 0. The next state is going to be 8, that is 1 0 0 0. If it's 5 0 1 0 1, the next state is going to be 9 1 0 0 1. And if it's 6 0 1 1 0, the next state is going to be 10, that is 1 0 1 0. And if it's 7, that is 0 1 1 1, the next state is going to be 11, that is 8 plus 3, so we're going to have 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, now we have taken care of this. Let's go to this one. So if it's 8 1 0 0 0, what's the next state? That is 12, that is 8 plus 4 12 1 1 0 0. And then if it's 9 1 0 0 1, what's going to be the next state? That's 13. 13 is 8 plus 4 plus 1 1 1 0 1. And if it's 10 1 1 1 0 1 0, the next state is going to be 14 12 plus 2, so 1 1 1 0. And if it's okay, we are at 10 and 14. Let's look at 11. If it's 11 11 is 8 plus 3, so 1 0 1 1. Next state is going to be 15, that is 1 1 1 1. And we still have 4 more. Let's try to squeeze it right here, but I'm going to rewrite it in the next page. But let's try to squeeze the 4 of them here. So now we have done the third column actually. Let's look at the 4th column. When it's 12 8 4 0 0, what's the next state? It's going to 0. So here we're going to hit 0 0 0 0. And when it's 13 is 8 plus 4 plus 1 1 1 0 1. And the next state is 1, so 0 0 0 1. And when it's 14, the next state is 2. 14 is what? 8 plus 4 plus 2, so 1 1 1 0. The next state is 2, that is 0 0 1 0. And when it's 3, the next state is 15. I'm going to put it in the middle because I don't have any space below. I'm going to put it in the middle, and we are going to actually rewrite this in a better way in a table. Okay, this is when it's 15 is 3, 15 is 1 1 1 1, 3 is 0 0 1 1. Okay, I'm going to copy the whole thing. Let's even leave the Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4. We can copy that later as well. Let's just look at this number and take it to next page. Okay. Okay, here I have these numbers. These are Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4. Let me keep it over here and put it back. I'm going to write it back all over. We have Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4. Let's put the title as well. Current state, and then we have next state, next state, and I'm gonna put a ruler for everything because that's gonna help us to keep track with each of them. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 different alignment. Let's put this over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. And also I'm going to divide this one into 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one also 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay, let's use a different color to write them. First, what we have Q1, Q2, Q3, and then Q4. And here we have Q1 star, Q2 star, Q3 star, and then Q4 star. Okay, let's do the first one. The first one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's use a different better color. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then this one is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And here 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. That is 0, 1, 1, 1. And we have 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then we have 1, 0, 0, 1. And after that 0, 1, 1, 0. And that is 1, 0, 1, 0 here. And 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. That is 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, we are right here. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. That is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. That is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. 4 ones. 1, 1, 0, 0. 4 zeros. 1, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0. That is 0, 0, 0, 1. And the last one is 1, 1, 1, 1. and that is 0011. Okay, that is the truth table we derived from the diagram given diagram of mod 4 counter. Okay, the next thing is how many flip-flop. We said we are going to use 4 flip-flops, and we are going to use SR flip-flop. So if you want to use SR flip-flop, first you have to understand the behavior of the SR flip-flop. Let's look at it. I'm going to erase this whole thing here. Okay, let's look at the SR flip-flop here. SR flip-flop have a truth table like this. SR flip-flop and R and the Q next state. Okay, so it comes like that. When you have 00, the Q next state is going to be same as the previous. So whatever the Q value you're gonna have, that's gonna be the value you're gonna get for Q star. So same as previous. And when the S is 0 and the R is 1, this is 0. When the S is 1 and R is 0, this is 1, and 1 is not allowed. Okay, this is a truth table for the SR flip-flop. Now from this one, we have to analyze Q next state and how SR flip-flop behave based on that. So I'm gonna put that table here. Q next state, and then S and the R. Okay, so from this one, if I want to get 0 for SR flip-flop, Q next state, if I want the Q next state to be 0, what should I have? One I can have 0 for the Q because it's same as the previous, right? I mean 0 for the S is same as the previous. And here you can see R can be anything. R can be 0 or 1. You can still get the 0, so it doesn't matter. We don't care what R has. We can still get the 0 if this previous is 0. Okay, now let's look at the case that we get 1 for S. In which case I can get 1 for, and also let's say Q is 0. Okay, if the Q is 0, the first one is gone because we cannot have, like, the previous is not the same. So the first one is gone. Okay. And if R is 0, what's going to happen? If R is 0, we are not going to get, like, wait, we are trying to get Q next state to be 1. That's only possible in which case? Okay. I actually write it wrong here. I should put that 1 in Q next state. Yeah, if I want the Q next state to be 1, you can see I can get it if I have 1 0. Like if the Q is 0, then the only possible way I can get Q next to be 1 is 1 0. Okay. And let's say Q is 1 and you want the Q next state to be 0. What is the possible way? Q is 1 and Q next state you want to be 0. Same as previous doesn't work because the previous one is 1, so it doesn't work for this. Okay, S is 0 and R is 0. Like that one works, but that's for the previous case. That doesn't work here. But 0, 1 works. If you have 0 for S and the R is 1, that one will work, right? So that is right here. Let's look at the next one. If you want the Q next to be 1 when the Q is 1, what's the possible way? That's same as previous. Like when S and R are 0, it's going to give us same as previous. So, and also like when S and R are 1, 0. So S doesn't matter. S can be a 0 or 1. As long as R is 0, we are getting a 1. So that's going to be 0, 0 right here. So this is our truth table. This is our truth table for the SR flip-flop. Using this, we can derive the truth table for all the next state right here. Let's do it. Here we are going to have how many flip-flops? 4 flip-flops. So I'm gonna need 4 space for it. Let's keep this diagram somewhere in the corner. I'm gonna copy and make it very small. Okay, let's make this one very small. Okay, this is the table we have to look into when we write the diagram. When we write the table actually. Okay. So I'm going to put 4 flip-flops here. 1 column for 1, 2 column, 3 columns, and 4. That's it. Let's call the first one S1R1, S1R1, S2R2, S3R3, S4R4. And also, divide this one like this so we keep track of each of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, now let's go ahead and write the truth table. So first one we have to compare the Q1 and Q1 star. Let me highlight that one with a color. What color I can use to highlight? Let me see. Let's do it with the blue. Okay, we're just looking at these two only. Okay, let's look at the first one. 0, 0. What's the truth table? If it's 0, 0, 0 and don't care. 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 If it's 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0. Because 4 of them are going to be same. You can see when we have 0, 0, 4 of them are 0, 0. When we have 0, 1, 4 of them are 0, 1. When we have 1, 1, 4 of them are 1, 1. When we have 1, 0, 4 of them are 1, 0. So we can just write 4 at a time. So this is 0, 1 right here. 0, 1 is what? 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0. 1 0. And then here we have 1 1. 1 1 is equivalent to 0 0. This one is 0 here. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. This one should be don't care 0. Yeah, why do we have don't care 0? I had to go back to the table. Let me write the table, SNR table. Okay, SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop and then Q next state. This is the truth table. If it's 0 0, it's same as the previous. If it's 0 1, that is 0. Same as the previous, same as Q. Or you can just write Q. If it's 1 0, this is 1, and 1 1 not allowed. Now let's analyze the case that we get 1 for the Q naught. I mean Q star. Q star 1 possible when okay, this one is Q. Okay, Q star is 1 possible in which states? 1, it has to be 1 0, or it has to be 1 1. In either of these cases, R doesn't matter, because if it's 1 1, R is going to be 1. If it's 1 0, R is going to be 0. So R doesn't matter. Wait. 1 1. We are looking at Q next state, right? Okay, 0 0. 0 0 is the same as previous one. 0 1 is 0. 1 0 is 1, and then 1 1 not allowed. And here we have Q next state to be 1 when the Q is 1. Yeah. So this is not connected to Q. Like I'm comparing the previous state with it. This is not connected to Q. That's the thing. So it has to be 0 0. So it means R has to SNR has to be 0 0. Either SN has to be 0 0 or SN has to be 1 0. Because if it's SNR are 0 0, that gives the previous state. And also when SNR 1 0, that gives the 1 as well. So S is changing. S can be a 0 and 1. R is always 0. So that's why we have S is don't care, because S can be 0 or 1. It doesn't matter what S have. As long as R is 0, we are going to get the output with Q next state to be 1. Okay, that's how we derive the last one. Now let's look at here. Here Q1, Q next state 1 1. So this is going to be don't care 0. Don't care 0, don't care 0, don't care 0, don't care 0. Now let's look at this one. 1 0. 1 0 is 0 1. This is going to be 0 1 here, 0 1 here, 0 1, 0 1. Let's look at S2 R2. First we have, okay, let me highlight with a different color. Let's use green or something. Let's use green. I'm looking at Q2 and Q2 next state. Okay, let's compare. Let's see the pattern first. How many are similar at a time? We have 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 0 1. So this one also 4 similar at a time. So we can do 4 at a time. So when it's 0 1, what's the truth table? 0 1 is 1 0. So this is going to be 1 0. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. And then when it's 1 0, what's the truth table? 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. And when it's 0 1, what's the truth table? 1 0. Yeah, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. And when we have 1 0, what's the truth table? That is 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, let's go to the S3 and R3. Let me highlight this one with a different color. Let's use this. We are looking at Q3 and Q3 star. Okay, let's go. Q3, how many? Let's look at the pattern. We have how many at a time we can take? 0 0 0 0, 2 at a time maxing. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Yes, 2 at a time. We can take 2 at a time. What? Wait a minute. I have to verify whether this is right. This is 1110. That one is what? 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 4, that's 12. 12 plus 1, 13. When it's 13, the next state is 1. Let me double check. When it's 13, the next state is 1. Yes. Let's look at the previous one. Okay, wait. This is 14. When it's 14, because 8 plus 4, that's 12. 12 plus 2, 14. When it's 14, what's the previous state? That is 2. So this is a mistake here. Let me correct it. Okay. This one should be 0 0 1 0. Okay. So now I'm seeing like let's see how many at a time. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Now we can take 2 at a time. Let's do it. So S3 R3. Let's do the first one. 0 0. What's the truth table? 0 and don't care. 0 and don't care. 0 and don't care. 0 and don't care. Let's do the second one. I mean third one. That is 1 1. 1 1 is don't care and 0. 0 0. 0 and don't care. So it's actually repeating. You can see it's 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. So it's repeating 2 at a time. So we just have to write 2 at a time like this. Don't care 0, don't care 0, 0 don't care, 0 don't care, don't care 0, don't care 0, 0 don't care, 0 don't care, don't care 0, don't care 0. Okay, that's it for this one. Let's look at S4 and R4. Okay, let's leave this one empty and we are just looking at Q4 and Q4 star. 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Actually 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. It's actually repeating next to each other and it's always 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. So we just try to write that one again and again. 0 0, what is the truth table? 0 and don't care, and 1 1 is don't care and 0. So this is going to be 0 don't care 0, 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 0 don't care 0. Okay, and this is the only thing that we need for the next one. We just have to create K-map for each of them. How many K-map we are going to have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 K-maps with 16 location K-map, 8 of them. Let me copy this and bring to next page, because here we cannot do it. Control C. Okay, I just brought the SR truth table we just derived. I'm gonna put it on top, and let's create our K maps. Okay, so we are gonna have 16 location K maps, or you can say 4 input K map. How many of them? 8 of them. Let's create 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and let's put one more here. I'm liking space for it. Let's put one here, small one. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's create 16 location. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let's copy paste the truth table we derived. So what are the things we are going to have here? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. This is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Here also Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. This is also Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. And this one also Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay. So let's do this for S1. What do we have in S1? 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 don't cares, and 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, Then we have 1 1 1 1. Then we have don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, and then 0 0 0 0. That's for this one, S1. And this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Let's look at okay, let's go as we go through this. Let's actually write the expression first. So can I combine this one as 8? 8 is better than 4, 4 is better than 2, 2 is better than 1. So here's 4 is the maximum possibility. So let's combine these 4. And if I combine these 4, what's changing and what's not changing? You can see Q1 and Q2 remains the same because it's happening in the same column. And Q3, Q4 are changing. So let's put the Q1, Q2. Q1 is 0. So I had to do a complement for it. And Q2 is 1. So I keep it as it is. Okay, so this is the expression for S1. Let's do this for R1. R1, what do you have? We have don't care, 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 don't care. And then we have zeros, 0 for 8 of them. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. And then we have 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, this one is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, this is we are doing for R1. It's better to write here so you can see for which one. Okay, 4 is better than 2, 2 is better than 1, 2 is better than 1. So here, what is the maximum possibility? Do we have 4 here? Yes, this is only 4 right here. So if I combine it, what's the expression? Q1 and Q2 are not changing. This is 1 1. So Q1 and Q2 are not changing. Others are changing. Q3 going from 0 to 1 eliminated. Q4 going 0 to 1 eliminated. So Q1, Q2 is the expression for this. Okay, that's R1. Now let's look at the next one. Next one we have is S2. Let's do this one for S2 right here. S2 we have 4 1 4 zeros, 4 1 4 zeros. So 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 1 4 zeros. Here I can come because 8 is better than 4. So I can see 8 here. We can do the combination of 8 here. If we do it, this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. If I do the 8 combination, what's changing? Let's look at Q1 and Q2. Q1 is changing. Q1 is 0 here, here 1, it's changing, eliminated. Q2 is not changing. Q2 is 0 here and 0 here as well. So it's not changing, it's going to be there. But I had to do complement since it's a 0. And how about Q3 and Q4? Q3 is changing, 0 to 1 eliminated. Q4 also changing, 0 to 1 eliminated. So the expression for the S2 is Q2 not. Okay, what's the next one? Next one is we have taken care of S2. The next one is R2. Let's put the R2 over here. And let's write the truth table for the R2 that we found out. Let's look at it. 4 zeros, 4 1, 4 zeros, 4 1. 4 zeros, 4 1, 4 zeros, 4 1. Here also I can combine this as 8. And this one is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now let's look at the Q1 and Q2. Q1, what's happening to the Q1? It's changing from 0 to 1, eliminated. Q2 remains the same, so it's going to be there. How about Q3 and Q4? Q3 is changing 0 to 1. Q4 also changing 0 to 1. Eliminated both of them. So the expression for the R2 is Q2. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Next one is S3. Let's take this one as S3. Let's put the truth table we derived. 0 0 don't care, 0 0 don't care, 0 0 don't care, 0 0 don't care, so 0 0 don't care, 0 0 0 0 don't care, 0 0 don't care, 0 0 don't care. So for this one there are two possible answers. One is, you can, if you don't see any ones, you can directly connect to the ground. You can put it as 0. That is one way, one thing. And another thing you can do is, you can turn all these don't care into 1 and write an expression for it. Let's write the expression. Let's see what's the expression gonna be. But I'm gonna use 0, because when you use 0, the design, the final design is going to be so easy. But if you have other things, then it's gonna make the circuit a little bit messy. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug the K-map. Label the K-map. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So here, if I take this 8 don't care as ones, what's gonna be the value I'm gonna get? Which is changing and which is not changing? Q1 changing, eliminated. Q2 changing, eliminated. Q3 is 1 and 1, so that's gonna be there. Okay, this or Q3, and Q4 is changing, eliminated. So you can put 0 or Q3. It's up to you. You can design both way. Both of them are right. Now we have taken care of which one? S3, right? Let's look at the R3. What we have for R3? Don't care, 0 0. Don't care, 0 0. Don't care, 0 0. Don't care, 0 0. Okay, this is R3. Starting from don't care. Don't care, 0 0. Don't care, 0 0. Don't care, 0 0. Don't care, 0 0. And for this one also, you can see there are two possibilities. One possibility is, you can connect it to the ground. That is the easier one. The other one is, you can make this all this 8 into a 1 and find the expression for it. Now let's label this K map. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now let's look at what's changing and what's not changing. Q1 changing, eliminated. Q2 changing, eliminated. Q3 0 0 not changing, so it's going to be there, and it's a 0, so I had to do a complement for it. And Q4 0 1 eliminated. So the another expression you can write for R3 is Q naught. You can do both of them. The next thing we are going to look at is S4. Let's look at the S4 truth table. 0 don't care, 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 0 don't care. So it's going all the way like that. 0 don't care, 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 0 don't care. So here also we have two possibilities. Either you can make it to 0, or you can make all these don't care into ones and connect them together. So let's do that one as well. So let's label the K map. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. And if I connect all these don't care as 1, what's changing, what's not changing? Q1 is changing, eliminated. Q2 is changing, eliminated. Q3 is 0 1, changing, eliminated. Q4 remains as it is. So this is 0 or Q4. Let's look at the last one. The last one is R4. Don't care 0, don't care 0, don't care 0, don't care 0. So it's going like don't care 0 all the way to the down. So here we are going to have don't care 0, 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 and don't care 0. Here also we have two possibility. This is R4. One is you can connect it to the ground. The other one is, let's see the expression. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. I can combine this one as 8 like this. I can take the top 4 and connect it with the bottom 4. In that way we make it 8. If we do that, what's changing and what's not changing? Q1 is changing, 0 to 1 eliminated. Q2 changing, 0 to 1 eliminated. Q3 is 0 here and 1 here, so changing, eliminated. Q4 is 0 0, not changing, so it's going to be there. Since Q4 is 0, we have to put a complement for it, and that's it. Now these are the 8 expressions we derived from this K-map. Now let's group them, let's write them together, and I'm going to bring it to the next page. Okay, let's group the let's get rid of this here, because now after I done this I don't need this one here. Let's see if I can erase this. Okay, so I can erase this. Let's write each of these expression here, and I'm going to bring it to the next page. Okay, the first one is S1. What do we got? Q1 complement, Q2, Q1 complement, Q2, Q1 not Q2. R1. What do we got? Q1, Q2. And S2. What do we got for that? Q2 not. And R2 we got Q2. And S3 we got 0 or Q3. And for S4, S3 and R3 also there. R3 we got 0 or Q not. And this is which one? Q which not? Q3 not. This is Q3 not. And then we have S4, that is 0 or Q4. And R4 also 0 or Q4. Okay, this is the expression we derived from K-map. Let me copy this expression and bring it to new page. Okay, here we go. Now let's go ahead and design our circuit using flip-flops. We are using SR flip-flops. We are going to need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, here we have 4 flip-flops. Let's label the flip-flops. This is S1, this is R1, and this one is Q1 and this is Q1 not. S2, R2, Q2, Q2 not. S3, R3, Q3, Q3 not. S4, R4, Q4, Q4 not. Okay. First, let's look at the S1. What is this connected? We have an AND gate, Q1 not and Q2 connected with S. Okay, let's put the AND gate right here. Q1 not, that's coming from here. Let's connect this one with that. Okay, then we have Q2. Q2 is over here. Let's bring a wire to that. Okay, now we have taken care of the S1. Now let's look at the R1. R1 is connected, Q1 and Q2 connected with an AND gate. So again, put an AND gate right here. And for the, okay, so this one is what? Q1 and Q2. Q1 is right here. Let me use a different color. Q1, I can either go from top, better to, yeah, always go from top. Let's use it. Let's use it a little bit different. Okay, let's take it from here. We're connecting with Q1 and also we want to connect with Q2. To connect with Q2, you can see this Q2 here is going here, right? You can simply take another wire from here and connect it with this. Okay, and that's basically it. Now let's look at the S2. S2 is connected with Q2 not. Let's grab a wire from here. Q2 not. And make sure you connect the bottom with clock. That's one we shouldn't forget. Let me do it right now. We connect all the bottom with clock. Okay. So we have gone until which S2 is Q2 not. And then R2 is what? R2 is Q2. So to connect with Q2, I can grab a wire from here. Let's use a different color to see it clearly. So Q2 is going through this, right? So I can just bring a wire here and connect it with this R2. Okay, that's all for this. And then let's look at, we have taken care of S1, R1, S2, R2. And you can see S3, R3, S4, R4. You can connect them, all of them as to the ground because all of them are 0. If you connect to the ground, that's going to be easy diagram instead of messing up with everything. So here I'm taking wire from here and here. You can see S3, R3, both of them are 0. Bring a wire like this, connect it to the ground. And S4, R4, same thing. Bring a wire like this, connect it to the ground. And that's our final design. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.